Welcome to another amazing video. Today, we're bringing you the story of a skilled craftsman who works with a lathe machine. This man is a true expert in his craft, so talented that he can repair even the most damaged or broken machine parts and turn them into something that looks and works like brand new. He works tirelessly on his lathe machine, and through his skill, he provides for his family, proving that determination and talent can overcome any challenge. In this video, we'll see him take on an incredible task, repairing a completely broken crankshaft. The crankshaft, which is a vital part of many machines, has been damaged beyond use, and buying a new one would cost the owner a significant amount of money. The customer, unable to afford a replacement, turns to this craftsman with a plea for help. He asks him to repair the crankshaft at a lower cost. The craftsman, determined to help and confident in his skills, agrees to take on this challenge. The process begins with the craftsman carefully examining the crankshaft. He looks at the damage and measures every aspect of the broken part to determine exactly what needs to be done. With his decades of experience, he creates a mental plan to repair the crankshaft and restore it to its original condition. The first step is to prepare the broken crankshaft. The craftsman securely mounts the crankshaft onto his lathe machine, ensuring that it is perfectly aligned. This alignment is crucial because any imbalance can lead to further issues during the repair process. Once the crankshaft is set, he begins trimming the broken area. Using the precision of his lathe machine, he cuts away the rough, uneven parts and smooths out the surface. This step is vital to ensure that the damaged area is clean and ready for further work. After preparing the broken section, he moves on to the next step, creating a hole in the damaged area. Using his lathe machine, he drills a hole precisely in the center of the broken section. But drilling the hole is just the beginning. He then works on enlarging it to the exact size needed for the repair. The craftsman doesn't stop there. He trims the outer part of the crankshaft as well, creating a perfectly even surface. This outer trimming is important because it allows for a seamless welding process later on. Now comes the critical part of the repair. The craftsman selects a strong, durable iron rod that will serve as the connecting piece to join the broken parts of the crankshaft. This rod must be perfectly shaped to fit into the hole he just created, so he places it into his lathe machine and begins to work on it. With incredible precision, he trims the rod to the exact dimensions required, ensuring that it will fit tightly and securely into the crankshaft. Once the rod is prepared, the craftsman carefully inserts one end of it into the hole he drilled in the crankshaft. He uses his tools to make sure the fit is tight and solid, creating a strong bond between the rod and the crankshaft. At this point, the broken part of the crankshaft begins to take shape again, thanks to the craftsman's meticulous work. But the job isn't done yet. The remaining portion of the rod must also be shaped to complete the repair. The craftsman uses his lathe machine to trim the exposed part of the rod, shaping it like a screw. This step ensures that the rod will fit perfectly into the other broken section of the crankshaft, creating a secure connection between the two parts. Next, he turns his attention to the second broken section of the crankshaft. Like before, he mounts it onto his lathe machine and prepares it for repair. However, this section presents an additional challenge. It is heavier on one side, causing it to vibrate excessively when rotated. To solve this problem, the craftsman welds a large piece of iron to the opposite side of the crankshaft. This extra weight balances the crankshaft, eliminating vibrations and ensuring smooth operation. Once the balance issue is resolved, the craftsman begins repairing the second broken section. He trims the damaged part using his lathe machine, smoothing it out just like he did with the first section. He then drills a hole in the center of the broken area and enlarges it to the required size. After preparing the hole, he trims the outer surface to make it ready for welding. Now comes the final and most critical step, joining the two sections of the crankshaft. The craftsman inserts the prepared rod into the second section, ensuring a tight and secure fit. He carefully aligns the two sections, making sure they are perfectly level. Once the alignment is confirmed, he tightens the connection, effectively joining the two parts into one. To reinforce the joint, the craftsman uses a welding machine to fill any gaps between the two sections. This welding process ensures that the crankshaft is strong and durable, capable of handling heavy loads without any issues. After welding, he trims the welded areas with his lathe machine, making them smooth and even. Finally, he uses a grinder to polish the entire crankshaft. The grinding process removes any excess welding and gives the crankshaft a flawless, shiny finish. By the end of the process, the crankshaft looks brand new and its functionality is fully restored. This entire repair process is a testament to the craftsman's skill, patience, and dedication. Through his expertise, he not only saved the customer from the expense of buying a new crankshaft, but also gave the broken part a second life. If you enjoyed watching this incredible display of craftsmanship and hard work, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.